There's a starman waiting in the sky. Die tonight.
All I wanna do is love somebody to love. A1. Second floor is clear.
No. I'm so sorry, Scared me. Oh, dude, how did he survive that? That was a shotgun to the chest.
I thought you dropped him.
One's first floor. Oh my god, the shotgun's got so much range.
Exploded.
RPG heads down.
Stop messing about now, yeah?
That just was too easy. Fuck you, nigga. Just business. Fuck you, nigga. Just business.
Why did you kill him? Just a question.
He killed me last match for no reason.
Oh, fair enough.
Stupid fucking nigger.
That's crazy.